CSX 03, number 2. Clear Weaverton, 3148 out.
I heard him say clear Pope's Creek. Oh, excuse me. And then I think, oh dang, and there's no way I can make it to Hubbard Ferry. I know it should be damn close. So like, why not? Let me come here, I'll be with them. And I had a better shot. Well, first time I got freight train Wheat Hill going northbound on 340. The car's going to all the way. It's 340 south. I'm on 340 north. Q136-03 eastbound 2-track. Sweet. Go 135 and 136. I'm not complaining. Time is now 4:41 p.m. in the afternoon. As you can tell, I'm heading home. I got more singles than doubles. I can't tell how many more you gotta go. Now, I don't know if you're going to stop at Brunswick to get recruit or keep on going. So I don't know. So I'll keep an ear out on that, and this is it back in. Damn, I can't move. Approach Caterpan. So he's stopping. Alright guys, I gotta go. Talk to you guys later.